This is a small video. I have added some new things over here in the cinema. Cinema, not recording studio. Let's get down. Let's get down. Ah! Over here. Now it's a little bit creepy. Over here, I added a new thing. There's some raindrops. Look who's here. Look at this. Sorry, I'm watching I try not to laugh. The monkey. The monkey. Why he treat the monkey like that? Wait. Oh no. Wait, I need this word for find where is the zombie. Where's the zombie? You know where's the zombie? I'm not schizophrenic. I am not schizophrenic. Isn't that right, director? I was going ahead. Did I add something in the gender room? No. They try not to laugh. Over here, no things. Here. Lightning. This is the people, everything, everyone's the people using another right word. This is the plan guy. Look at this movie. Look at this. Isn't it nice? Here we have the guy of the storage. Boo. So, always saying, this is the food guy. This is the food guy. There's some creatures appearing. I don't know where it is. And over here we have the cinema. And we have the cinema, but with new things. The people. We have some lone guys. A couple. Boyfriend and girlfriend over there. Here we have the projector guy. The janitor's room is gonna be like that with that broken thing. So now, see you soon.